Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the iPhone 15 Plus. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting in the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and volume up. After that, turn off your phone and turn it on again. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode, and how to activate pair mode you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so check it. The modern gadget just starting in the pair mode after turning it on. Sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds, sometimes you have to push the button 3 times for example. You have to check it by yourself, and if you are sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for the devices but is still not for your iPhone, open the settings, then look for the general and swipe down to the transfer or reset iPhone. Now choose the reset and tap on the network settings. Tap on this button and look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so in the general tap on the software update. If you have any, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your iPhone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.